Welcome to Kyoto, Japan, a city where ancient traditions and serene landscapes converge to create the perfect environment for mindful travel and mental well-being. In this video, we'll explore how Kyoto's cultural richness and natural beauty provide a sanctuary for inner peace and self-discovery. Our journey begins at Kinkaku-ji, the Golden Pavilion. This iconic Zen Buddhist temple, adorned in shimmering gold leaf, reflects beautifully in the surrounding pond. The serene atmosphere here invites you to take a deep breath and appreciate the present moment, embodying the essence of mindfulness. Next, we visit Ryoan-ji, renowned for its minimalist rock garden. The garden's design, featuring raked gravel and carefully placed rocks, encourages contemplation and mental clarity. Spend some time observing the simplicity and balance, allowing your mind to find peace in the patterns and stillness. Experience the art of the Japanese tea ceremony at a local tea house. This practice is a meditative ritual that emphasizes mindfulness, harmony, and respect. As you participate, you'll discover how each movement and gesture is infused with intention, fostering a deep sense of tranquility and connection. Kyoto's gardens, like the Kyoto Botanical Gardens and the Philosopher's Path, offer stunning natural beauty and peaceful retreats. Stroll through these gardens and take in the seasonal changes, whether the cherry blossoms of spring or the vibrant leaves of autumn. Nature's rhythms here encourage reflection and renewal. Consider incorporating meditation or yoga into your Kyoto experience. Many local temples and wellness centers offer sessions that combine traditional practices with the serene backdrop of Kyoto's landscapes. These practices can help deepen your mindfulness and enhance your overall well-being. Explore the Fushimi Inari Shrine, famous for its thousands of red torii gates that form a mesmerizing pathway up the mountain. Walking through this sacred space can be a meditative journey, inviting you to focus on each step and the spiritual significance of your surroundings. Kyoto's traditional streets, such as Gion and Higashiyama, offer a glimpse into the city's rich cultural heritage. Wander through these historic districts and take in the architecture, tea houses, and local crafts. Engaging with Kyoto's culture can provide a deeper sense of connection and mindfulness. Participate in a local workshop to learn about traditional Japanese crafts, such as pottery or calligraphy. These hands-on experiences can be both soothing and enlightening, allowing you to engage mindfully with local traditions and create something unique. As the day winds down, take a moment to reflect on your experiences in Kyoto. The city's tranquil evenings, with their soft lighting and calm streets, provide the perfect opportunity for contemplation and gratitude. Consider visiting a traditional onsen or hot spring bath to unwind and rejuvenate. The soothing waters of an onsen can help release tension and promote relaxation, enhancing your overall sense of well-being. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Kyoto. We hope you find inspiration in its rich traditions, serene landscapes, and mindful practices. Until next time, travel mindfully and find peace in every moment.